to my YouTube channel. My name is Nomfundo Mnyaka, but I go by the name Nomfundo Tando to all my social platforms. If you are new here, please subscribe down below. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much, doll. And also, guys, please don't forget to press the ring bell button, to notify you when I upload a vlog. So, guys, without wasting any time, today we are doing a weave install. It's a new weave, guys. I don't know, on my last vlog, I wanted to say something, but I didn't say it, because why? Because I wanted it to be a surprise. Ooh, boo, 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 boo. Guys, please never mind my hair, because I was so lazy to do like new cornrows. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get to it. Here's the hair. Okay guys, so I got this hair from Magodide. You can find her on TikTok, you can find her on Instagram. She's there. You can just search hair by Magodide uzongithola. And if kuguthi ibona manje le video, you should run. She has a sale, 20-inch 1.550 and then 22-inch it's 1,650. Yeah, it's only for this month. At the end of the month, yeah, pay sale. So yeah, as installing a baby girl, baby girl. Guys, I don't know how to feel, like, honestly. Like, I've never owned what's this thing? I've never owned a curls like before. Like, I don't know how to fall, honestly, and I'm scared. Oh baby girl, why is it not opening? Ouch, guys. So I did an unboxing with my TikTok family, I didn't do it with you guys. I'm sorry, because I had to shoot for TikTok. So at least you guys are getting like a weave install or weave review. I don't know, but yeah, at least we're getting it. They're getting something. And this is big, I think, because I'm going to teach you how to install curls. Okay, sizozama. We're gonna try this together, right? And this, okay, let me keep it together. So I need to remove this hair. This hair is for baby hairs and stuff. Guys, like, ngiyangithemba guys. Ngiyazithemba bafethu. Ngiyazithemba mina bafethu. Oqala. You see this? Ngizofaka ile dryer. Before I do that, I want to, which one? I want to put the glamour spray. I want to put a glamour spray. There we go. Okay guys, this is a friendly beginner tutorial. Yes, ich bin mir länger am curls. Okay, straight, but it's fine. Then a full cycle here too. Hey, yeah, please. You see, and then after, I think I'm not sure if I will remove this weave after installing, because I feel like I just wanna install for the sake of my YouTube, not because I really want to this week, like for the week. I feel like I'm not ready. I want to install it when I go to that event. No, if I told you guys, but on the 1st of August, I'm going to an event. So basically, it's our documentary screening, as you guys saw on my So I don't know if you will I guess I have to finish this and then I will continue shopping. Again, I don't have to wait for it. Like you see this thing like sticky, yeah. But I think I'm gonna put like 2. What is it called? 2 coats or I don't know, guys. No, but since I fag a bit, it must spray like it band go to But yeah, I think you do get me. What I'm trying to say. This thing, I'm gonna put it like 2 times because I might take it out. I don't know. We'll see. So being such a give a face, we'll see. So one. Oh, I was still saying on my previous I think it was my first travel vlog, if I'm not mistaken. We went to Alice, me and my classmates. We went to Alice to shoot a documentary. So now we're going to have a documentary screening, right? So it's an event. There'll be a red carpet, food, drinks, people, important people. Us as people who produced the documentary, obviously, and then we're gonna have guys, sabhekane nenkinga la, sizoyiqhubeka le ndaba lethu kwamanje, asifocuse la. Girls and 500 and money, just yeah, but it's okay. So when such a guys it's like panel red carpets, nah. So my chat is, since we're gonna have that event, or like allowed to, and I think I'm gonna bring 3 of my friends or 4. I don't know. I'm not too sure yet, but I'm gonna bring my friends along, right? And it's getting hints. So I'll bring my friends along as my guest, right? And this will be saying, okay, and so that's it. And then my chat is, the reason why I'm saying I might take this wave off, it's because I want to wear it on that day. And messing it go angifuni like kuba ukuthi sebengibonile eklasini lana. Eklasini like ngifakile. I want them to see me wearing it on that day. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, so hence I'm like, I just wanna wear it on that day. And then day after that, I can start wearing it on campus. right? And guys, I bought a dress on Shine for the eventually. Since any of it. Should I use a scissor or spoon? Ngisazon update akaze ndabashini. Adlala. Okay guys, number 2 years I can look off camera and I'll come back once I'm done. Because I think those are my mistakes just because I know you guys are watching me. Do you get that? So please don't be mad at me. I'll come back once I'm done cutting my lace. Because it's a struggle. Meaning book. Okay guys, so I'm done cutting my lace and you don't judge my face. Mas if go what to get put it then. Okay guys, so bengisakhuluma indaba yaShane ke ukuthi uShane nga-order kona ngi-order i-dress nento eyodwa ngisho accessorize. Hayi bo avele yashesha i-order ngitshele lakho bengilindele ukuthi yabo uzoba late and then sacela ukuthi basenzele yona basenzele yona isheshe ifike before i-1. Hayi ngintshela ukuthi sebesifuna ama-customs be-manje. Like what the hell? I know Vela, I'm the one who said I want my order to be delivered like so fast, but I didn't expect them to be this fast. You know, but it's fine. It's okay. And I'm happy to salon. You know, me the much. I'm gonna get inside. Guys, hey, you're in Jablisa, guys. This is a shashifika for I'm not looking colors. Because meaning saying from a shish white TV, so this is what you like. It's on drinks, I'm sipping. But yeah, it's an update. I think you guys deserve to know about. I'm going like in vlog, but because the video it's based on email, so now I'm yapping, as you guys know me. But yeah, I wanted to say, and also I was thinking of buying a tripod. I'm going to use on that event, you know. And just use this second vlog because I need to invest on this channel, you know. I need to invest on this channel. So if I'm telling you, I show what things missing. Okay, guys, let's remove it. Okay, as I'm cleaning the party, we're going to use my clothes because I ran out of my wipes and I'm cutting pads. Okay guys, so I'm done removing the glue on my forehead. I was using water. Hey well, yes, some of the products I didn't even show you guys. So now we're going in with our wax stick. I think le ndaba yokulungisa i-closure ukuthi ingabi white, I'll do it once I'm done with wenza le parts. Don't worry about it. I've got this. I can sing. We're going A. Oh my Sheila. I can't believe this is me. Guys, yes, she's alive. Okay, I need to take that because yeah. Woo. Hey bo. Chineke yo. Oma. Ngiyethemba yazi mina. One thing about mina. Ngizozithemba ngisho ngibona ukuthi hayibo. Kumele ngilahle ithemba mosla. Ngizithembe mina ngiqhubeke. Believe in myself. I trust myself. Why I didn't want to go to the salons? It's because I was afraid. I was afraid what if they ruin my life? I would rather ruin it by myself. By myself. I wanted you guys to see the smoke, the way she's on island bath. Hence, I'm screaming. I'm busy screaming. It's because it's so hot. Alright. What's the next step? That's in the guys. I'm going to shuffle. Give us a shuffle. Is this one straight? Is this one straight now? Get bosh of it, like I don't know. My face. Okay, guys, an answers manch. Because some other people uses this thing in powder. Abanye concealer, abanye foundation, asibone. We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere with this one. Hey. Guys. Because I'm wondering if I should continue with this for Hey, I said you shouldn't the Lama agents because already in a strategy. So today let's just do a simple. Guys, I'm trying to get rid of this white line. I hate it, like I really hate it. But I guess over time I'll learn how to remove that thing. But I say quite calculate. If you guys know how to remove this thing, please let me know in the comments section. I hate it when I do something but I can't see what am I doing. Guess I'll do better next time. So I used my concealer in can. Okay, now need to finish up everything. You guys, I'm done. I'm going in with my brows over cleaner. Okay, man, just cut my hair. So it's my face. Yes, I don't know. Yes, I don't know. Who am I? Who am I? Guys. So it's okay to give 5% because I'm feeling on Chinese because I'm not Jerry Cows at trees. I'm not Jerry Cows. So, I'm just doing it J for the sake of the tutorial. I don't know if this is a tutorial or what, but yeah. I'm still gonna buy more products for my curls, avocado lala, you know. Instagram I already have it. And then I need it. Guys, I'm sorry because I wrote about saying to book shoots and what can be long. Yeah. Then such way as I'll put on too. And I'll try to find more other product to buy for my hair, you know. This wasn't treats. Ngisazi ushizile phoza yami ukuba umsebenzi. Kimereko. Mara it's fine because I can't investigate hazards. I think this is right. I don't know if I told you guys this is what you can also use the condition. Yeah, I love it so much. My other face and understand. That's my land is in my match. It's me. What do you mean? Hey, look.
She like the bar with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old range. I knew it when I rock big old chains. Not a little.
This is the beat that's gonna be out. Let's see how deep we do it.
Just to get to you, like you asked for it. Man, that thing in them jeans too fat for it. Rebound, so I caught off the backboard. I told her, baby, can I come here? No, I run the town, even when I ain't from there. And I brag hardly, but just to show up at this party I made with your making one, yeah, that's unfair. But so it's like, take a chance, roll the dice. Money can't buy your love, cause it's overpriced. Don't overthink, just hope it's right. I'm only here for the night.
Surprise! He's on me, little babe. Come on, guys. Putting on our serum.
Yo, Cash, you made this beat?
Hey, you see that?
Adam Cash on the track.
Guys, so I am done on my lip gloss. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this weave install. Oh, I don't know. But yeah, I love her hair. Oh my god, she ate and she loves crumbs, right? I love it down. So yeah, so much for tuning in. Till next time.